Today, we're diving into a topic that I get asked about all the time. What's the real difference between Adobe Acrobat and Acrobat Reader? If you've ever wondered where the line is drawn between viewing a PDF and actually working with PDFs, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what each program is designed for and how to choose the right one for your needs. Let's jump in by starting with one of the biggest differences, editing. Adobe Acrobat is your tool if you want to truly modify a PDF file. You're not limited to just reading the document. You can change the text, adjust images, even rearrange entire pages. So, if you notice a typo in a contract you received, or you need to update an image in your newsletter, Acrobat lets you do that directly within the PDF. On the other hand, Acrobat Reader is built for viewing. You can highlight important information, add comments if you want to give feedback, or mark something for review, but you won't be able to actually change the core content. Think of Reader as your digital printout. You can quickly check and annotate, but the real crafting and altering happens in Acrobat. Moving on to creation, and this one is key if you work with documents a lot. Adobe Acrobat empowers you to make new PDFs from scratch, whether that's converting a Word file, combining several images, or even scanning a paper document right into PDF format. You can assemble reports, create new forms, or simply turn handwritten notes into organized digital documents. If you need to start a new PDF, Acrobat is where you'll do it. Acrobat Reader, by comparison, restricts you to viewing existing PDFs. You can open and work with anything sent your way, but you can't hit New PDF or export something into this format. Reader is more like a reliable bookshelf, holding what you already have, while Acrobat is the drafting table where creation actually takes place. Now, let's talk about conversion. Adobe Acrobat is amazing here. It doesn't just lock you into PDF. You can convert your PDF back out into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or even image formats. Say you've received a PDF invoice that you need to update and send to accounting in Excel. Or maybe a colleague asks for a presentation as a PowerPoint instead of a static PDF. With Acrobat, just click a few buttons and the conversion is done, all while maintaining formatting. With Acrobat Reader, however, conversion isn't an option. You're bound to the PDF format for both opening and sharing. Next up is Forms, which is especially important in today's digital workflow. With Acrobat, you don't just fill out forms, you can build them from the ground up. Maybe you want to create a sign-up sheet for an event, or design a survey where responses are typed or signatures are added. Acrobat gives you all the tools to design, arrange, and set up how every field works, whether it's text, checkboxes, or signature blocks. Acrobat Reader comes into play once the form is made. You can fill it out, sign your name, and send it back, but you won't be able to design the structure or add new fields. It's a bit like filling in a printed form at the doctor's office versus designing the actual template behind the scenes. Finally, let's touch on security, which can be a make-or-break feature. Adobe Acrobat offers a suite of advanced protection tools. You can password protect sensitive files, like confidential contracts or reports, and even redact private information, such as names or addresses, before sharing. So if you're working with sensitive data, Acrobat gives you control over who can see what and how much is shared. Acrobat Reader, on the other hand, is limited to basic security features like signing documents. You won't be able to set up passwords or hide text and images. So, as you can see, Acrobat is the full workshop for creating, converting, securing, and editing PDFs, whereas Acrobat Reader is the easy-access viewer for reading and annotating. I hope this guide helps you pick the right tool for your projects. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop any questions you have down below, and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching.